We have aggregation functions as the most basic category of DAX functions in Power BI. So, this aggregation functions are the functions which we use to calculate the scalar value for all the values in a specific column, right? In a column or a table. And this aggregation, this scalar value is being calculated by the expression or the using the expression we use to write for the calculation we want to do. So we have the specific dedicated aggregation functions in Power BI. So this is the basic list: sum function, product, min, max, average, and specific count functions. And we have uh, more categories of sum function, like we have two kind of scenarios in sum and product, right? We will be covering all these things. So let's get started with the demo in the next tutorial, and we will be covering from very basic to scratch. So stay tuned to this channel, and just save this playlist, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that if any new video comes up, you won't be missing it.